And hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Izonye, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to use this wool right here to achieve deep wave hair that I use for my boho braids. Guys, watch this to the end to see the entire process, and don't forget to subscribe and like, comment down below, and let's get on with it. So I started off with rolling the hair out and cutting to my desired length. This is my Remington straightening iron that I use for my natural hair. This is the first time I'm trying this tool on this hair. I will normally just separate the hair to feather that out and brush it through, but this gave me the same result, plus it loosened the hair up a bit. Just bear in mind that it's not going to give you something silky and smooth as your straightening iron would, but this was good as well. So I just passed that a few times and I was good to go. So this is what you have. This is what I have by the time I was done brushing that through, and I take out that size of hair and I comb that through to make sure that I don't have any knots or any tangles. Now I curl this with my flexi rod. I just place it around the rod like so and just twist and turn, and once I get at the end of one half, I bend the rod over and then I come to the other half and do exactly same thing. And hey my loves, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please take this time out and click that subscribe button and join the family. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That is the only way YouTube know that you appreciate my content, and that's the only way this can get to more people. Thank you as you do that, and don't forget to engage me in the comment section. Just whatever question or recommendation or contribution that you have, just keep them there and I'll be there to reply your comment. So this is what I have once I was done coiling that. So I'm just going to place them inside that bowl, add some conditioner and pour some hot water over that and let that sit for a minute. So I let that dry, and this is what I have. So I'm going to take the curls out of the rod and trim off the ends. This is what I have once I've taken that out, and this is not the curls that I'm going for. So I'm going to have to dip this in some hot water again. Remember what I said about this hair, that the fiber this is made of is a lot stronger than Kanekalon braiding hair. So I'm dipping this in 100% boiled water. I didn't let it cool down at all. I just dip it in some hot water to loosen the curls up nicely. If you do this with your regular braiding hair, it's just going to straighten out like straight up, no two ways about it. So I do that and I take that out. Look how nicely it has loosened up the curls. So I'm going to let this dry completely. Now this is what it looks like completely dry. Look at how shiny, how beautiful that looks. So I'm going to cut that at the middle, because that is how I'll be using it for this hair. If you do not want that, if you're doing some crochet braids, you can just leave it as is. So I'm just going to cut it and press it to make it flat. And guys, look at what we have. This is so beautiful. Watch out for my next tutorials to see how I use this hair. I just want to point out that the previous method I used in curling this deep wave hair was a lot silkier, softer, smoother. If you haven't seen that tutorial, I'm going to put the link up there for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas in advance. See you guys on my next one. Bye guys.